I'm here with Teichert.
Yeah.
Teichert, and Teichert Construction, if you look at what they have drones on here. Now, I do Sierra College, so I'm in the welding program at Sierra College, and I was shocked because I was like, "What are you guys using drones for?" So let me know. Tell me why? Why are you here today?
Part of the technology group. So we're just showing kids, who may be interested in construction. There's so many different avenues that you can take. And us being part of the technology program, we brought a few of our drones here. Just kind of show them that you can do mapping, volume count, site calibrations, things like that nature. Where back in the day, you would need a grade setter to do that stuff. The drone can kind of complete the same process about a fourth of the time.
Tell me a little bit about yourself, your background,
Sure.
and how'd you got in here.
Yeah, so I'm originally from New York. Went to the Marine Corps.
What part? What borough?
No, I'm not from the borough. I'm upstate.
He's a townie.
Did you take my dap away?
I did take your dap away. I'm from the Boogie Down, born and raised.
Fair enough.
All right.
Rochester, New York.
Rochester. Oh, okay. Heck yeah.
Is that fine?
That is awesome. Do you like the Yankees?
I do.
Heck yeah. All right. You get that dap back?
Actually, use the Marine Corps to go to school. However, my degree is not anything construction related.
What's it in?
Business.
Business? Okay. So while other Marines are eating crayons, this guy is learning right here and taking. This man was getting an education and taking Teichert in a totally different direction.
I have nothing else.
So once you were done, how many years in the Marine Corps?
4 years.
All right, thank you for your service. What'd you do in the Marine Corps?
Communication. I'm still thinking about eating the crayons. So yeah, communication, even though it's not directly connected, but in the way it is.
Yeah.
With technology, but yeah, I was communications in the Marine Corps.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So for all those out there, all those young boys and girls out there that, hey, you're not looking at Teichert Construction, or those right now, Sierra College, who are doing welding, and you want to kind of flip the script a little bit, check out Teichert.
Yeah. Been around since 1887.
There's a connection there, people. Go and figure out what Teichert Construction could do for you outside of that, and just forge your own path.
Absolutely. Anytime a college or a high school wants us to come over there and talk about what we do, the technology portion of it, we're more than willing. I drove up here from the Bay Area to come up here and tell the kids what we do and see if they're interested in it and answer whatever questions they may have. So yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much.